I will tell you, I think that the #1 thing is ease of installation.
We can get them in, we can get them out, and the customer's happy.
And it's good for our bottom line.
Good for our bottom line.
Once you mount it on the wall or, put the wires in, you just push the tab in, slide the wire in, and it's about as easy as it gets.
Usually I have about 5 to 10 calls per day. And the fact that, it only takes about 15 minutes to install it and about another 5 to 10 minutes to program it and show the customer, I can go to, take care of my other calls a lot quicker.
Installer is able to program it once it's put onto the wall with our logo and our contact number. They're not reaching for a business card or looking elsewhere.
It's seamless and modern, updated, and then yet gives us all the information we need about what we need to do in our home. Absolutely, I think it puts a nice cherry on top of a well-done design.
It's a great touchscreen, simple display.
The screen on the thermostat reacts like the one on my phone. It's very sensitive.
Little touches like that make a difference.
Having the access and having the ability to get on your phone and just put your thermostat to whatever temperature you want it to be, people love it.
For example, if the customer goes to the grocery store and they left their thermostat set at 80 degrees, well, they can just, grab their phone, and on their way home, they can, lower the temperature, and by the time they get home, the house is going to be nice and cool.
With the Sensi Wi-Fi, it's very simple. It's again, straightforward process right out of your phone that feels seamless and more comfortable and safe, and I think for a consumer, that's what they're looking for.
It's user-friendly, it's easy to install, easy to operate. I love the Wi-Fi.
You see some of these other thermostats out here that claim to be learning thermostats, and they just don't work the same. They just don't, and I think there's something to be said with Emerson and being leaders in our industry, that they created the smart thermostat for the contractor that was gonna work for the homeowner.